Hello, welcome to this video for students in Essential Math 40S in your precision and measurement unit. And in this video, we're going to look at how you determine precision when you're looking at a device like this device, although this is a little bit too hard for what we want to do. So just as a quick reminder, precision is the size of the smallest tick on the measurement device. It is also the smallest value if you're given a measurement. We'll look at that in a couple of slides. We'll start by looking at a device and seeing how big the smallest tick is. So if you're presented with a picture of some kind of measurement device, and here's one, I don't even know what it's measuring. There's no units, just numbers. That's good. That's okay. We can find the precision. What you do is you end up dividing the increase to get from one major amount to the next by the number of ticks needed to go that distance. So let's look here just in the first little section. To go from 0 to 10, the amount of increase that we're talking about is 10. In order to go that distance, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks. You don't count the tick at 0, just like when you're counting, from anything, you start on the first one up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks. So to get a distance of 10, I had to travel 5 ticks, which you wouldn't have to write in. Okay, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So my precision of this particular device is 2. 2 watts? I don't know. Usually there's units printed in here. So let's look at a couple examples that actually have units. Okay. This has 2 different units. We'll look at the miles per hour, even though I know we're in Canada, just because that's the major numbers around the outside. And again, what I do is I look at a major section and I say, well, how far is it to get from 10 to 20? Well, to get from 10 to 20 is a distance of, or an interval of 10 miles per hour. And how many ticks does it take me to get there? Well, it takes me 1, 2 ticks to travel that distance. So I take 10 divided by 2. So my precision would be 5 miles per hour. That's my precision of this particular device. Coming to this device, we put this on here on purpose because there is some weird stuff happening down here. Sometimes on a gauge, you'll see the very first little bit of it doesn't look like the rest of the device. There's a weird number of ticks kind of spaced odd. Don't look in there if you're trying to determine precision. Look at the first sort of normal interval, right? Let me get rid of those and let's just circle that one. Right, the interval that looks like the rest of the intervals. Now to go from 25 to 50, that interval to get from 25 to 50 is a distance of 25. It's important to note you could do this anywhere. From 50 to 75 is 25, from 75 to 100 is 25, and so on. And then how many ticks does it take to get there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I take 25 divided by 5 ticks, I get 5 again, but in this case it's 5, and there's my unit hiding in there, 5 psi, which is pounds per square inch. Okay. Again, these were picked on purpose because they both have a precision of 5 of whatever unit it is they're measuring, but you can see this one uses less ticks per interval than this one does, right? So again, precision when you're looking at a measuring device is simply what is the size of one of these ticks? That's what you're asking. So in this case, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 is the size of one of my ticks. Now to switch gears a bit, if they give you a measurement and you want to determine the precision, you have to make a bit of an assumption that the smallest number in your measurement equals the precision of the measuring device they were using. So if we look at 32.9 centimeters, I don't really care about the 32, I care about the very last number given, all the way on the right-hand side of whatever the given measurement is. I'm going to assume my precision is 1 of whatever that unit is. So where is that? What I do is I put a point, that's this decimal point, 1. I put a 1 where the 9 is, and I can assume that my precision is 0.1 of a centimeter, because it looks like we could have 32.8 centimeters, right? Looks like they were counting up by 0.1. Looks like that was their smallest unit of measurement. For this one, again, I look at the very smallest number given there. So my precision would be 0. There's the point, 0, 0, 0, that's 0, 0, 0, and then I put a 1 in the same spot in the number that I see the last digit here. Okay, and that one is seconds. So my precision for this measurement, which is quite precise, is 0.0001 of a second. So you're just basically replacing the very last digit with a 1 if you're given a measurement. So when you have 67 feet, there's my last digit. No decimal place, so I just put 1. That's for this spot, and it's 1 feet or 1 foot would be my precision for this measurement. I hope that helps you out a little bit when you're looking to find precision off of either a given measurement or a picture of some kind of device. And thanks for watching the video.